The forthcoming Chengdu Yuniversiad also offers a great opportunity for the participants to interact in cultural exchanges with various activities arranged at the Games. A launching ceremony on Wednesday officially kick-started such activities as world university athletes continue to arrive for the Yuniversiad slated on July 28th.
Named Blossom of Youth, the activities include cultural exhibitions, a photo contest, and a celebration party.
体育和艺术从来都是不分家的。成都其实是一个特别年轻的城市，我觉得这样的一个运动，这样的一个青春感，再加之文化的这种融入，希望大家能期待，也是相信大家一定在这里能度过一个特别好的、美好的，甚至是灿烂的日子。
The Athletes Village serves as one of the major cultural venues for young athletes, featuring exciting events that showcase intangible cultural heritage and encourage exchanges through art.
It's a good opportunity, it's a good chance to share Chinese culture, probably not only for the other Chinese, but also for us like foreigners that we are here trying to get more know more about China and people. I'm in love with Chengdu. Food is one of the things. This is really delicious, spicy but delicious. People here, it's so nice, it's so polite. I'm literally in love with this city. Sport is one of the things that I can bring people together, have fun to have good times, share experiences, share cultures, languages.
I've been for 4 years, so I know a lot of stuff about the Chinese history and culture. Okay, I think it's actually making the dreams come true because there is a lot of athletes in the other countries and they don't have the chance to achieve their dreams and to make the people know about their achievements. I think actually sport is important for everyone. It's not about age. Age is just a number. So I can feel like the Chinese government make a lot of efforts to make this sport more popular for the people here in China. I can see that people riding bike every day and the older people 5 a.m. or 4 a.m. they're making the taiji and this kind of stretches.
I really love the event and the event is so great. Chengdu is a great city. 加油 Chengdu!